Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Mustang AC blower not working issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. An AC blower not working in the Ford Mustang is commonly described as no air coming from the vents at any fan speed, the blower working only on certain speeds, or airflow stopping intermittently. Verified owner reports and service information show that blower-related concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Mustang model years and generations, with causes varying based on HVAC system design, electrical controls, and component wear. One verified and frequently reported cause involves a failed blower motor. Over time, the blower motor can wear internally or seize, preventing airflow even when the climate control system is turned on. Another confirmed cause relates to blower motor resistor or control module issues. In systems where fan speed is regulated electronically, a faulty resistor or control module can cause the blower to stop working entirely or operate only at limited speeds. Fuse or relay-related problems are also documented factors. A blown fuse or faulty relay in the HVAC circuit can interrupt power to the blower motor, resulting in no airflow. Wiring or connector issues have also been reported. Loose connections, damaged wiring, or poor grounding can prevent the blower motor from receiving consistent power. Climate control switch or control panel behavior is another verified consideration. Faults within the control panel can prevent signals from reaching the blower system, even if the motor itself is functional. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include low battery voltage, software-related HVAC control behavior, or moisture-related electrical issues. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include checking HVAC fuses and relays, testing blower motor operation, inspecting the blower resistor or control module, verifying wiring integrity, and diagnosing climate control inputs. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Mustang blower issues are resolved through blower motor or resistor replacement rather than full HVAC system repair. However, experiences vary by model year, HVAC configuration, and electrical design. In conclusion, Ford Mustang AC blower not working is typically linked to blower motor failure, control or resistor issues, fuse or relay problems, or wiring-related faults. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.